Welcome to our in-depth comparison of the TP-Link Archer A6 and Archer AX90 routers. We'll break down their key specifications across four crucial categories: wireless performance, security features, hardware components, and software functionalities. Wireless. The Archer A6 boasts Wi-Fi technology with AX1200 speeds, providing 867 Mbps on the 5Gs band and 300 Mbps on the 2.4Gs band. Meanwhile, the Archer AX90 steps it up with Wi-Fi 6 capabilities, delivering AX6600 speeds, including 4,804 Mbps on the 5Gs band, 1201 Mbps on another 5Gs band, and 574 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band. With 8 fixed high-performance antennas and Fort 4 support, the Archer AX90 ensures exceptional coverage and blazing fast speeds, making it perfect for larger homes. Security. Both routers offer robust security features such as spy firewall, access control, and VPN server support. However, the Archer AX90 goes the extra mile with Home Shield security, providing real-time IAP protection, intrusion prevention, and DDoS attack prevention, along with a home network scanner for comprehensive threat detection and mitigation. Additionally, it offers advanced WPA3 encryption for enhanced network security. Hardware. While the Archer A6 features a dual-core QPU and standard gigabit Ethernet ports, the Archer AX90 boasts a 1.5 GZ quad-core QPU, along with a 2.5 GDEs, WAN port, and US 3.0 support for shared storage and media server capabilities. With superior hardware specifications, the Archer AX90 delivers unmatched performance and connectivity options, ensuring smooth operation even in high-demand network environments. Software. Both routers support essential protocols like EP4 and IP6 and management through the Tether app and web page. However, the Archer AX90 introduces advanced features such as Home Shield parental controls, closed by device, and VPN client support for OpenVPN parental controls, closed by device, and VPN client support for OpenVPN PAT and Bluetooth. It also offers USB sharing capabilities, cloud services for auto firmware upgrades, and remote management, providing a comprehensive solution for home network management and security. In summary, while the Archer A6 offers reliable Wi-Fi 5 performance and standard security features, the Archer AX90 provides cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 technology, advanced security measures, enhanced hardware capabilities, and comprehensive software functionalities. Therefore, if you're seeking top-tier performance, security, and versatility in your home network setup, the Archer AX90 is the ultimate choice. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons. Stay tuned for our next video,